After years cleaning professionally, I thought a cordless would be gimmick, but the ONEPWR upright surprised me. It is surprisingly light, easy to carry upstairs, and it stands neatly in my coat closet. The dirt light shows every crumb, which I appreciate on laminate and wool alike. The dirt cup empties with no fuss, and the battery is removable for easy swapping. Quiet, no tools needed, and it handles under cabinets and tight spots thanks to its compact size. It powers through 1,000 square feet on medium and still has charge. Not perfect on wool nap, and it could be better on stairs, but for quick cleanups it's been a win.